Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Beauty Girls Cracks. Today I will show you in this video so stylish and latest ideas of layered cut in long hairs with beautiful hair dye, very attractive hairstyling, and so beautiful overall correction in long hair, layered cut for girls and women's you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in long hair. Some ideas layered. Some ideas front to back layered. And so beautiful step. Some ideas with bang. One side bang, two-sided bang. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye. Most popular and trendy hair dye, blonde color, lightly blonde, dark blonde, burgundy color, black color, light brown, dark brown, grey color, and so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, some ideas in funky colors, and so beautiful collection of highlights in ash color, and overall collection very beautiful and latest. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.